Perimeter problems. Find the perimeter of the rectangular tank's base. Below is just the base of the tank. So here we have a base. We have 12.5 inches for the width, and then the length is 38 inches. So in order to find the perimeter, we're just going to have to add up all the sides. So here are our four sides, so we would just add up 38 plus 38 plus 12.5 plus 12.5, and then we'd get our total. So we'd need to pull up our calculator. 38 plus 38 plus 12.5 plus 12.5, which is 101. And our units are inches. Now let's do another example. Example 2. Find the perimeter of this support gusset. So on this, we have 4 different sides. So we need to add them all up. So we have 8 plus 15 plus 7.75 plus 13 will give us the perimeter. So 8 plus 15 plus 7.75 plus 13, which is equal to 43.75 inches. So this would be our solution.